This is Andrew Stotz of Stotz Investment Research, and I'm going to look at market basics in numbers and tables of 5 select markets in Asia. This week I'm in Taiwan for the CFA Society Taiwan Investment Conference, and I'll be on a panel looking at these 5 countries. Of course, I'll be talking about Thailand and leading the panel discussion. The 5 countries are India, Pakistan, Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam. So let's get a look at these markets. What I've done here is try to break the markets down by the MSCI GICS sectors. And what we can see is that the top 3 sectors account for 60% of market cap in the Philippines, Pakistan, and Vietnam. In other words, there's a lot of concentration, particularly in the Philippines. 66% is in the top 3 sectors: financials, industrials, and real estate. Now, in Pakistan and Vietnam, the consumer sectors account for almost 30% of total market cap. And finally, only in Thailand are financials less than 20% of the market cap. Of course, I remember coming to Thailand in the old days, and financials were huge relative to the rest of the market. But as the market matures, financials start to move down in importance. Let's look at liquidity, because this is what matters most. What can you invest in? India has the largest number of listings, while Thailand is the most liquid market. Now, what do I mean by liquid? Well, I define liquidity in this case as stocks that are over $250 million in market cap and at least $1 million in average daily turnover. If we do that, what we can see is that total listed stocks are massive, 3884 in India, and actually there's a lot more on regional exchanges and the like in the past. But let's use that 3884, and then from that we can see, if we apply this methodology of 250 and 1 million, we can see only 10%, 8.9% of stocks in India are large and liquid. That is shockingly low. And it's one reason why the Indian market can move very fast if, for instance, foreign money comes in, because there's only a small number of companies that can be actually purchased by most big funds. Of course, individuals can purchase companies that have lower market caps and average daily volume. Now, if we look at Philippines, we can see about 12% of the overall market is large and liquid. That's 29 stocks. Pakistan right now, it's 3.8, so there's a lot of listings in Pakistan. As you can see, 426 is the number I've got, and liquid stocks is about 16, so a little bit less than 4%. And then Vietnam, we can see also a large number of listed stocks, 783, but only 27, that's 3.4%, that are actually liquid. And finally, Thailand. Thailand actually, of the 5 countries, only is beaten by India, which is a much bigger market, and it's 16.2% of the market is large and liquid. I hope you learned from that. Well, if you want to get my equity FVMR snapshot for free, every week you'll receive the updated equity FVMR snapshot. It's 1 page, covers fundamentals, valuation, momentum, and risk. After signing up, you'll receive a 1-page PDF every Monday. Just go to becomeabetterinvestor.net/FVMR-snapshots.